I've only been sitting here for probably about an hour, waiting on ELS 501 for its southbound journey. 502 and 503 are currently sitting in Pembine. And we're sitting here in Iron Mountain, Michigan. No train horn zone. They're in a little bit of a hurry. Gotta love that semaphore right above the train. Yeah, 502 and 503 are sitting in Pembine waiting for this train. They came all the way north this morning from Krivitz with one tanker. And I seen a comment on Facebook that they switched all the logs out of the Pembine yard and are set up and waiting for this train. So I can smell the finished product. That's an interesting smell. Moving right along. All right, let's go over to East Kingsford and catch them coming through there. Well, there won't be any runners at that crossing. The road is still closed. On my way over here, I did hear them honk. Sounded like they blew the horns across H Street. Which normally means somebody went out in front of them. I mean, I can't say that I'm really surprised. Can you? That stop sign is right in my way. He's got one scrap car in front. Yeah, just a short one heading south. But I would imagine in about 2 hours we'll have a longer one heading back north. Which you'll be watching right after this, so don't go anywhere. I'm gonna wait till that other train comes back. We're gonna throw it all into one video. And I swear you can smell the paint on this product. Maybe it's lacquer. I don't know what it is, but I can smell it. Smells like paint. Taxi cab blew out in front of me. I wasn't going to give it too much free advertisement. Speed. We need more speed. Alright. We'll wait for the train to come back. You guys gonna still be here? I believe this train is going to be mostly pulpwood. Taking some weight across these lines now. I mean, literally stop there. I mean, you can, I guess, but better to stop there than nowhere, I guess, but know. Thinking maybe we'll run the Iron Mountain real quick and catch them one more time. I guess if we do, we better hurry. Might be shut down for the day. Or not. It's weird, I was downtown and all of a sudden the train cut its lights off and stopped right where it is now. And I was like, man, maybe they're switching cars or something, but I figured we'll drive over here and see. Right through, oblivious. I don't even think they were looking. Guess they just wanted to stop and take a little break. Little sneakery to get ahead of this train again, but I'm ahead of it. Yeah, a little quick sneakery to get over here, but I made it. Yeah, this entire string of pulpwood came out of Pembine. I guess the mill is ready to accept more wood. Yeah, this is the only crossing in Iron Mountain, Michigan that they will blow their horn at. Anyway, I love this crossing, not only because of that, but because of how close this train comes to that building. That's pretty slick. Guys, make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. I could get a little hairy at times, don't you think, right next to that building?